Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be painting wet on wet, or alla prima. If you don't know what that basically means painting with a direct painting approach, working wet paint over layers of wet paint. And today our victim, our and so today this is our model. Wait, you're too tall. Okay, this is our model for today. So I'm gonna paint him with a direct painting approach. So let's get started. Move forward just a little. So for today's palette, I'm going to be using raw umber, burnt umber, burnt sienna, ultramarine violet, ultramarine blue, alizarin crimson, cadmium red, French yellow ochre, cadmium yellow, and titanium white. So I've already put like a wash of burnt sienna and drying medium onto this. It's already pretty dry at this point. I just didn't want to paint directly onto a white canvas. Okay, so in here I have just some linseed oil. I'm gonna freshen that up. And I'm just using a drying medium. I also have a rag. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just go in with some burnt sienna and a little bit of drying medium. And I'm just gonna do the general shapes. This is just some drying medium and linseed oil. I'm using a sable brush to help me like extract parts that are incorrect. And I'm wiping my brush on the rag. Going to apply the paint as I see it, following the shapes that I've already created. Okay, so now that I have the general impression, I'm going to go ahead and start detailing. So I'm doing the detailing with sable brush, red sable. super difficult to do. I don't know how these artists paint. I guess it's just practice. I'm glad I tried. Okay. Okay. I'll hold on to it as my first alla prima painting ever. Okay, so problem number 1. Well, I would definitely consider that painting a fail because it looks horrible. But I think the first problem was we started way too late, so the sun went down, and that was like our main light source. And then the proportions were like way off. My colors were like so off, and it ended up looking like super muddy, and it doesn't really look like him. But it's alright. I'm glad I tried. That was my first ever like alla prima painting that I've ever done, so I guess it's okay for first efforts. I'll try again someday. I wouldn't say the painting is totally trashed, but I would have to work on it some more, which I know that I probably won't. So, just being honest, I probably won't work on that ever again. I would just take it as like my first attempt at alla prima, which I failed, was just fine. You know, you're not just gonna be perfect when you first start anything, so. I'm glad I tried it, and I'm kind of embarrassed. But you know, at least, you know, if you suck too, you don't feel so bad. Because we suck together. We're gonna get better. We're gonna get better. Alla prima, that's like a whole... They say that painting from life is like the ultimate discipline. So, I don't have that. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next video. Whenever that is. Okay, goodbye.